to the SLTV. This video was created from a full-length article on our health website. I will drop the link to the article in the description box. After watching, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And please do not forget to come back for more. See you soon.
So you're pregnant. First off, congratulations. But you've probably also noticed that as soon as you share the news, the advice starts pouring in, especially about food. It can feel a little overwhelming, right? Well, today we're going to cut through all that noise. We're going to break down exactly what to eat for a healthy pregnancy for you and your baby. All right, let's start with the big one, the phrase we've all heard a million times, eating for two. It kind of paints this picture of needing to, double down on everything you eat. But is that what's really going on? And boom, this right here, this quote just hits the nail on the head. It's the single most important idea to remember. It's not about eating more food, it's about making sure the food you do eat is way, way smarter. We're talking quality, not quantity. Okay, let's really dive into this because it's so key. Why is a nutrient-packed meal the real secret here? Well, think about it. What you eat is literally providing the building blocks for a whole new person. Your body needs the absolute best materials to do this incredible job. I mean, every meal is like a direct investment in the future. You are literally building your baby's brain. You're helping to prevent serious complications down the road. You're even taking care of your own health for after the baby arrives. Seriously, what you eat now can help set up your child's health for their entire life. How amazing is that? So, if it's all about quality, what does that actually look like? Let's open up the toolkit of essential nutrients. These are the specific must-have tools your body needs to build a healthy baby, from their tiny brain right down to their toes. First up, protein. It is absolutely fundamental. I mean, every single cell in your baby's growing body is made from it. And on top of that, your own body is working overtime, and it needs that extra protein to build the placenta and everything else that supports your baby. Next up is folic acid, or vitamin B9, and this is a non-negotiable, especially in those early days. Why? Because it's right there at the ground floor helping to create DNA and preventing major birth defects. Getting enough is one of the most powerful things you can do. Then there's iron. During pregnancy, your blood volume increases a lot. And iron is what your body uses to make all those extra red blood cells. Those cells are like little delivery trucks, carrying oxygen to your baby and making sure you stay strong through delivery. And get this, not all iron is the same. It's actually pretty cool. You've got heme iron from animal sources, which your body absorbs really easily, and then you have non-heme iron from plants. It's also great, but your body needs a little help to use it, like pairing it with vitamin C. That's why getting a mix of both is the best strategy. And believe me, the list goes on. Healthy fats, especially omega-3s, are building your baby's brain and eyes as we speak. Calcium and vitamin D team up to create their entire skeleton. Magnesium acts like a bodyguard, helping prevent complications, while iodine has a direct link to their intelligence. Each one has a super specific, crucial job to do. Okay, so we've talked a lot about the science, the what, but how do you translate all of this into something you actually want to eat? Let's talk about building your plate and making all this advice practical and, delicious. This makes it look simple because it really can be. Just try to get this amazing balance in your meals. Some good fiber from fruits and veggies, lean protein for those building blocks, dairy or a fortified alternative for that crucial calcium, and of course, those healthy fats. It's like a simple roadmap to a perfect pregnancy meal. All right, we've covered all the foods to welcome onto your plate. Now let's flip it and talk about what to limit or avoid. Knowing the red flags is just as important, and this isn't about creating fear. It's just about being informed and keeping both of you as safe as can be. So let's start with something many of us love, caffeine. Here's the deal. Your baby's tiny system just can't process caffeine the way you can. And later in pregnancy, that morning coffee can hang around in your system for up to 11 hours. That means your baby is exposed to it that entire time. It's a big reason why doctors say to really cut back. Now, some things are a hard no. Alcohol is at the top of that list, simply because the risks are so severe. You also want to be really smart about which fish you eat. Avoid the big ones, like swordfish that are high in mercury. And then there's a surprising one, getting too much vitamin A. So after all that, we come right back to where we started. The most powerful, simple takeaway is this. Focus on the quality of your food, not the quantity. It's all about making every single calorie count by packing it with the good stuff you both need. So we'll leave you with this thought. This isn't about being perfect, okay? It's about being intentional. Every snack, every meal is this incredible opportunity. You're not just eating for one, you're building the foundation for a lifetime of health. So, what's on the menu for your next meal?